Okay, here it is, my first pocket dump. What I carry me, my EDC car keys. It's got the Gerber shard on there, a little long paracord, a little SOG key knife. It's very sharp. That's in my left front pocket. Down in my cargo pocket on the right side is my wallet. It's a Expedition, not the micro, it's the next one up. I forget which one what they call it. That's that. Also in my right front pocket is my Kershaw Clash assisted opening. I like this knife. It's great for like 30 bucks. Actually, I got this one for under 20. So that's one of them. I also rotate with the blur and the free fall. My phone is my Droid Max. Obviously I'm filming with it, so you can't see that, but it's the same thing. Plain old Bic lighter in my left pocket. Let's see, on my wrist I have a paracord bracelet. On my left wrist, because I am right-handed, is just one of my G-Shocks. I like this blacked out version. Then on my right hip is my Ruger LC9. It is loaded. Take that out. Crimson Trace. It's a good gun. I like it. Has a Technic clip on it. No holster needed. Kind of like the Kel-Tec. And also have traction grips on there. I'm Don over at Traction Grips. So that's my first EDC pocket dump. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.